To change date and time settings on POCO C75, first let's open our settings. Inside, we need to scroll down and keep looking for additional settings at the bottom. Then we can enter date and time right here. And the first option is to set our time automatically. You can disable it if you want to adjust your date as well as the time manually. And I strongly recommend to go for automatic options, since if you disable that, you may get some problems with network connection and other stuff like that. So keep that on automatic as it is on default. Then we can adjust our time zone settings. Also, we can turn off automatic stuff to adjust it manually. And then there's time format. You can switch between 12 hours format or 24 hours format, or set it to auto based on the system language. There's also option to activate a dual clock. That way you'll be able to see time from two different time zones, and you can set the second time zone right here with the different region.